Mira Murati is officially back, and she just dropped a nearly 1 trillion parameter AI model that's completely open. Meet Inkling, the new open-weight AI aiming to challenge OpenAI, Anthropic, and even Meta. Thinking Machines Lab just dropped its very first open-weight AI model called Inkling. And this is actually kind of sick. The company was founded by former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati. So after leaving OpenAI, everyone was wondering what she was building. Well, this is it. Now let's talk specs. Inkling is powered by a massive 975 billion total parameters, but thanks to its mixture of experts architecture, only 41 billion parameters are active during inference. That means you get near trillion parameter intelligence while keeping inference much more efficient than a traditional dense model. It's also a native multimodal model, supporting text, images, audio, and video right out of the box. And unlike most frontier models, Inkling is released as an open-weight model under the Apache 2.0 license, meaning developers can download it, fine-tune it, self-host it, and build custom AI applications without being locked into a closed API. According to Thinking Machines, Inkling is designed for advanced reasoning, coding, enterprise AI agents, research workflows, and large-scale business deployments. Their goal isn't just another chatbot. They want companies to fully customize AI for their own products and data. Now, if you're wondering about the context window, maximum output tokens, or official benchmark scores, those details haven't been publicly released yet, so we'll have to wait a little longer before we know exactly how it stacks up against the biggest closed models. But early reports suggest Inkling delivers strong reasoning, coding, and agentic performance, making it one of the most capable open-weight AI models released this year. And I'm going to put this thing through one crazy test to see if this trillion parameter model actually lives up to the hype. So let's check it out. Now we're on the official Inkling AI portal, and it's time to see what this model can actually do. Instead of giving it a simple coding prompt, I'm going to throw one crazy challenge at it. A complete enterprise-grade business platform with a premium landing page and a modern invoice generator. This is a pretty sick test because it requires front-end development, UI/UX design, architecture, business logic, responsive layouts, and production quality code, all in a single prompt. So, let's see what Inkling can actually build. I also selected extra high reasoning effort to give Inkling the best possible chance of producing a high quality result. Now let's wait for the generation to finish. Alright, the output is ready, so let's jump in and see what Inkling actually created. One thing to keep in mind is that this isn't really Inkling's limitation. On the official Inkling portal, the renderer currently supports a single HTML output. So even if you ask for a full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project, it combines everything into one HTML file. You'll see similar behavior on web renderers from GPT and Claude. They also generate a single self-contained HTML file for instant preview. So, let's check out the result. I copied the generated HTML code, opened Notepad, pasted everything in, and saved it as a new HTML file inside an Inkling folder. Now let's open it in the browser. Showed all this process for your confirmation because some peoples can think it is fake result. And here's what Inkling generated. Honestly, it's pretty sick. Is it the most polished business platform I've ever seen? Not really, but considering this is just a single standalone HTML file with everything embedded, it's actually way better than I expected. The layout looks clean, the UI is modern, and it does a surprisingly good job for such a constrained environment. It even added a day/night toggle for switching between light and dark mode. Over here, there's a settings page with profile details like first name, last name, and email. It also included a clean sidebar with branding, an accent color selector, and a notifications panel. On top of that, it generated a list of demo customers with mock data. And the main feature is this invoice generator, where you can create professional business invoices with all the essential fields already set up. There's even a full analytics dashboard that gives you a nice overview of the business metrics. Overall, I actually like the output, and I think if you use Inkling through its API or inside a proper development workflow, instead of a browser renderer, the results could be even better, similar to frontier coding models like GLM 5.2 or DeepSeek V4 Pro. Now let's test the invoice generator. For the client name, I'm going to enter our channel name and leave the rest of the demo information as it is because filling everything manually would take too much time. Let's click Generate Preview. And there it is. The generated invoice looks clean, minimalistic, and professional. Now let's download it, and That's actually pretty sick. The PDF generates correctly, everything works as expected, and that's one of the biggest reasons I like this model. It's clearly optimized for coding and building functional applications. Now here's something interesting. Another powerful open-weight coding model is GLM 5.2. GLM has 744 billion parameters, while Inkling comes in at 975 billion parameters. So in the next video, we're going to put these two open-weight giants head-to-head in one awesome coding challenge to see which model actually performs better in the real world. If you don't want to miss that comparison, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.